up? What's going on? This is George Shamoun. I want to go over some of the commands that you can use in Linux to find the hardware attached to your computer or accessories, peripherals. They have different labels. So you have in general the list of hardware. Then you have a list of USB ports. Then you have a list of PCI equipment in your computer. The PCI is I think it's called peripheral connectors, interconnect. I have to think about it. So PCI, peripheral connection interface, maybe I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah, and then you have I said the USB, and then you have the block devices. The block devices like the hard disk and CD-ROM and those, they call them block devices. I'm not sure if they call the USB ports too block devices, but yeah. So if you have any questions about using Linux commands, let me know so I can answer you now on this live stream. This way you don't have to wait. Uh, Again, I'm not gonna. This is George Shamoun. If you have any questions, let me know, and make sure you submit a comment or ask questions. And if you're interested in learning about software and software as a service, how to use them, how to make tutorials, uh, let me know and propose any ideas you may have about specific topics, as long as they align with my in a range of what I go over, on my channel. So yeah, again, we're talking about Linux commands, and this is specifically about the ones you use to acquire information about the hardware. Hola, hello, my friend Edgar Elias. You've been here before. I remember you. Uh, Shogath, I am India. Work from Bahrain. Oh, all right. So you must speak Arabic. I speak Arabic too. You're in Bahrain, okay? So, yeah, you're from. I'm coming to you live from the U.S. state of South Dakota, and I'm originally from Lebanon. I speak Arabic, but right now I am in the U.S. I'm coming to you live from the U.S. So if you have any questions about Linux commands, let me know, and I can answer you right now. I've been using Linux for a long time, and this video, as you saw the title, is about the hardware. If you want to find out what hardware is installed on your Linux computer, whether it's a desktop or a server, there's certain commands you can use to find out what hardware is installed without taking apart your computer. You don't have to take it apart. So let's say for general hardware, at the command prompt, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Linux, but if you are, just go to the command prompt. And I'm not sure if you have to be the admin or a standard user, but let's assume you can do it as a standard user. If not, go as an admin. The first one is LSHW. LSHW. It is an abbreviation for the list of hardware. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, wa barakatuh. Okay, thank you. So LSHW, it means list the hardware. That's in general, they give you all the hardware. Now, guys, make sure you subscribe if you're on this live video now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be making more videos like these. You can tell from my channel I make a lot of live videos like this, and I can reply to you right away while you're on this live stream. So make sure you subscribe. if you like this kind of content about technology, software, and software as a service. كيف حالك؟ أنا منيح. أنت كيف or أنت كيف؟ I'm not sure if you're a boy or a girl. So yeah, make sure guys you subscribe. The main thing, you know. Okay, the second command is if you want to find your USB ports, you'll do ls USB. So it's very easy. Linux, they have simple commands, but they're very effective, you know. So the ls USB will give you a list of the USB ports and what's attached to them, what kind of hardware is attached to them. Now, there's another one. It will give you the block devices. It means the hard disk and the SSD drive. ls BLK, list block devices. So this is you can use this too. And then there's a fourth one. I forgot which one is it. Let me see. Yeah, LSPCI. LSPCI. This will give you the PCI equipment in your computer. You know, the PCI, it means the peripheral connector interface. I think, I'm not sure 100%. I have to look it up. I forgot the PCI. So yeah. So again, it's LSHW, LSUSB, LSBLK, LSPCI. Those four commands, they'll give you ideas about what's in your Linux computer, what kind of hardware, external or internal. So run to your computer now or later on when you have access to a Linux machine and type those commands. They will help you a lot. Anyone else have a question? Let me know if you have a questions. Anyone else? Questions, comment? Oil, gas company, Aramco, civil engineer. Okay, I see. USB cable. You know, the USB equipment, like the USB port, the drive, you know, if you have a drive, still, even if you don't have any equipment attached to the USB port, it's going to give you how many USB ports you have, and if they're vacant, they're not used, or they are used, you know. So, yeah. Anybody else? Questions, comments? Let me know. Who? USB port cable. Yeah, yeah, it'll give you the USB port, but it will give you, let's say you have a USB drive attached to your USB. It's gonna give you the drive and what's in it, you know. You have to try it, you know. Try it on your computer, you know. So yes. Any questions? Anybody uses Linux? Let me know if you use Linux and what do you use it for? Do you use it at home, at work? Let me know. Showcast, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You haven't subscribed, you know. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And everybody on this live stream, make sure you subscribe. I need to grow my channel and I need your help. The more you subscribe, oh, I think you are a subscriber. That's why you just liked. Okay. The more subscribers I have, the more videos I make, and I will help you live like this one, and I'll make more videos like long form, shorts, and live like this one. I've been making a lot of live because I find it easier than editing videos. And you know, when I'm home, I'm not home now, as you can tell. When I am home, I make I show you the desktop, you know, screen, because I don't know how to make. I cannot make screencasting from my mobile. It has to be done from the computer desktop, you know. So what I do when I'm home, I'll go live like this one, and I'll flip the screen. Once I flip the screen, you will see my desktop. Right now, you're seeing my car, you know. So yeah, if I was home, I'll have the computer. I'll run the commands, and I flip the screen towards the computer, so you'll see what I'm doing, even if I'm using this phone, you know. So subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. Yeah, whoever subscribe, I do appreciate that. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. because I have a lot of information to share with you. I will help you with how to use certain software and software as a service. So if you can check my YouTube channel, you will know what I cover. And also you can let me know if there is any specific topics you wanted to discuss. I've been making videos about making web pages, websites. You come in Bahrain, visit. Maybe in the future, not now. If I want to go, I'll go to Lebanon. That's where my folks, relatives, and family there. I'm gonna go to Lebanon. Maybe I'll visit Bahrain. Yeah, there definitely. Yeah, I should visit. I never been into in Bahrain or Saudi Arabia or UAE or Qatar. I know they're nice countries. I'm gonna have to visit them one day. Inshallah, inshallah. Yes, hopefully, yeah, inshallah. Yeah. Anybody else have a question about Linux commands, how to use Linux, and how to find the hardware on Linux, whether you have a desktop or a server? Obviously, on a server, I think you have to have an admin access. So I am Muslim. Yeah, that's fine. Welcome. I'm from Lebanon. I'm a Christian, but we have a lot of Muslims in Lebanon. It's mixed. And I have a lot of Muslim friends. So we're good. It's all good. Yeah. Anybody else? Anybody else have a question or comments or? I still have about 3-4 minutes. I'm gonna go back to work. So let me know if you have any questions. But I'll be making more videos, like maybe tomorrow, like this time, or in the evening. I'm not sure when. But I'll be making more videos like these. So yeah, submit your questions or comments and let me know what you're interested to learn about. Are you interested in programming or using computers like Linux, the command line? Are you interested in learning JavaScript, Python, HTML5, CSS3? I know some of this, not much. I'm not an expert in those, but I'm comfortable with HTML5, CSS3. I'm learning now JavaScript, but it's very difficult. I was advised to learn Python first. Python is easier, so I'm gonna start with the Python. Since I have Linux, it's got all the tools, the programming tools. So I have access to all of those. So, or any comments? Yeah. Okay. So I wanna go back to the office now. I am in my car, so my lunch is over. I was on my lunch. So I have to go back to my car. Let me know if you have any questions. Submit it in a comment. And I want to thank you so much for joining this live, for subscribing, for liking. And let me know if you have any questions. And tune in for more videos like these. Thank you so much. Have a great evening or great morning or great afternoon. It depends where you are. So with that said, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye now.